Should be good, at least for pressures.
Yeah.
So we got a carrier unit that's giving us a code 83 low pressure fault, and we just put it on in heat mode, and the outside's not kicking on. So we're gonna figure out what's going on with it.
It says second, and the
Ooh,
other one
look
probably
at-
say first.
What is all that?
Yeah, you ain't lying.
We might got a leak. This don't have that on there. Uh-oh, we might got a refrigerant leak.
Oh, boy.
We'll start with this one. I don't ever trust labels when it says second and first. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to show you guys this stain. Look at this stain right here. Okay. Now we're going to put this on. Just do the suction line.
Okay.
Let's do the true suction. Is there a true suction port?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. Just put that on there. And then we're going to put... Sometimes carriers are pain.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Oh, the noise. Sorry for the noise, everybody. Put that on there. Once you get it good and snug, it had to be over tight and just snug. The seals do a good job. And then you just turn that knob and activate the core depressor. Then we're gonna see. What I'll do is I'll usually watch this when it kicks in. There you go. Here it is. The pressures look fine.
Huh.
So that's probably just a dog or something peeing on it, or a sprinkler system.
Yeah. Could
All
just
right.
be a bad pressure switch, maybe.
We need to get it to run. Need to get it to run. I might have to go reset the inside too. While you do that, I'm gonna go run and reset the inside unit.
Go ahead.
See, he's got this fault. Pressure lockout. It's not even running.
Yeah, it's not even running. It hasn't even kicked on at all.
Maybe we need to check this one. We'll check the pressure on this one real quick. Just in case. We're on the wrong unit. We just assumed it was that unit because
It has a 2 on it.
well, and all because of that stain on the side. If I can get this thing to get on there.
Yeah, this one has a
If I ever design my own equipment, it's going to be serviceable.
Yeah. I would think the same thing too. I'd make it so it'd be easy to work on.
These core depressors make it a little easier and safer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what we got on there?
Yeah, I see why. It's low. It's definitely
That okay, we're on the wrong unit.
I figured.
All right, so now we just got to go find a leak. I'll go get my my little bits so we can take this top off and scan inside here. Guess I or something.
Okay. Trying to see if I see it.
It's a pretty small system, so we should be all right. It's probably gonna be on the indoor coil. Seeing how we're just in heat mode?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can use this if you want.
Sure.
There you go. No, I meant like put it in your drill.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Okay. And here's the screws. I'll get that one. What we at on the PSI?
I think you have it.
Oh, it's right here. We're at 100. Okay, we're gonna shut it. All right. We're gonna pop this, and then we're gonna check. I always check at the obvious spots first. So anything that looks oily.
Yeah.
These pressure switches. Any of the braze joints. This looks really oily right here.
That looks oily.
Accumulator. Some of these carrier units, they'll have something running through the board area. I don't think it's out here.
Yeah, it's probably outside, like you said.
U-bends. Something you can do. If usually you'll see the oil spot on the coil, but you can do it quick.
Let's see if it detects it.
Yeah, I'm not. These reversing valves, the little things will sometimes leak. This is, it's got the 2 solenoids on here. Yeah, alright, so we'll go inside now. We'll pop the car off, check that coil. I got a feeling it's gonna be a good one. Yeah, I don't think it's out here.
Yeah, after back.
I don't like to answer questions until I get the full picture. When they ask that, is it starting to go? I'm like, let me find the leak and everything before the heat strips is on.
Yeah, heat strips are on now.
I put it in heat mode to test it. Here's turn that off. Outdoor unit communication issue, yes, because we got it turned off. All that, and you took off their own door.
Oops.
I'm just kidding.
Oops.
Trey's got that Seek 1 hat on.
Camera. There's the boys.
No, you don't have to do that one. You don't have to take that one off.
Yeah, that's right.
My wand will fit down in that little gap. That's usually where it is, though. 9 times out of 10, it's in the bottom corners. Or, refrigerant falls, it's heavier than air, so you're going to find it and at least know it's in the bottom corners. Nothing. I hate it when I can't find it.
Yeah.
Pushing these brace points. Line dryer. Back at the bottom of these TXVs will leak sometimes. It looks like there's something wet right there. I might have to take that door off. Alive. So I don't know if you guys can see, it hasn't been running, and that looks really oily right there by that solenoid. And I swear we checked it earlier.
Yeah, and it didn't go off.
Yep.
Started touching it.
I just checked it.
Yep, there it goes. Yep,
It's going off right there. Okay, you got your drill?
Yep, I got my drill.
Take this off. Pull that off.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm gonna see. Might be in a repairable spot. All right, we're gonna go get soap and bubbles and see if we can get it repaired. All right. So now we just gonna.
Oh, there it goes.
We can repair it.
Yep, it's right there. On that
All right,
outside.
let's go build an estimate. Hello. Ma'am. Leslie. Oh, there she is. We found it. We can repair it right now. It's in a repairable spot in the copper. But for the refrigerant cost and the hours it's going to take, so it's not approved. But these people only really use us for everything, so we're just going to go ahead and get it started. I don't know why I went through that door. Everything's back here. It's an easy, quick repair, so we're just going to go ahead and get started to save time. I'm sure it's going to be approved. Might bite me in the butt, but that's okay. So we need that, and we need our heat shield putty. Okay, we'll go knock it out real quick. Let's go. Put our core removers on here. Ain't much left.
Yeah, it's barely nothing.
So I'll take these off. Now, when you ever add liquid refrigerant through the true suction here, like we were doing to do a leak check real quick, you got to give it time to settle and stuff, because you'll flood that compressor.
Gotcha.
I probably should have added gas. I thought you hooked up on the suction side. Okay, here you go. Nice, and not that much at all. We'll take this off. We'll do everything in cool mode now that we know the issue. Alright, we'll pull this one out. I'm definitely going to use my Fieldpiece vacuum pump on this one, because it's got an accumulator. And it's going to take 20 years to pull down without it. Okay. Tighten that. Then we're going to hook up the nitrogen. Gotta make sure we're brazing with nitrogen. Get you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's always good to do, though, on a good, nice system like this anyways. Open that up. Alright, we are set up. I like to wait until I feel pressure on the other side.
There you go.
Yep, so we're good to go. Now we set the torches up. And then when you're doing a calculator, getting a small tube like this, you got to be quick with heat. But at the same time, we need to get the putty, and we need to wrap this whole solenoid here so we don't damage it at all. That's my favorite stuff. Just, you can get a whole handful if you want. Yeah, we'll just cup it all the way around it. Ain't no big deal. There's a whole math to do that, but I just open them up. I go by the dials itself. So now this is. Do what?
Just want to make sure I have it right. The warranty with y'all is
There's
still under manufacturing.
well, yeah, if you had a warranty through us, it'd only be labor warranty. It's the first year of like install if we install the equipment.
Okay.
So you still have to pay for labor. The manufacturer warranty should be like 10 years on these Infinity units. So you should have a manufacturer warranty. But this is like a repairable spot, not a part replacement. So it technically won't be under a manufacturer warranty, but it is a manufacturer defect. So you just got to pay for the labor still, and that's really all I'm charging you for.
This is a compressor.
So that thing inside the, yep, it's right inside there.
It's quick and easy.
Yep.
So I've already did the repair. She was distracting me while I was doing it, so just gonna make sure I got it with some soap and bubbles.
There it goes.
All right, we're at like 115. We'll let it settle. Make sure there's no other leaks anywhere. Hit it again with some soap and bubbles, just in case.
Okay.
Here, we can take this off now. Take all that putty off. No, it's
See,
not.
nothing.
Definitely not what it was.
Definitely not.
It was a little hard to try to do it and teach you and
Talk at the same time.
her talking
yeah,
to
all
me.
that stuff. Yeah.
So that was a bad teaching on it.
I'm gonna remember that forever.
Yeah. You see how fast that is, though? It sucks that charge so much money for something, but the price is what it is. I'm not.
Yeah. It's just crazy, you know. It's just crazy how much refrigerant costs.
It's gonna go up.
Yep.
It's only gonna get worse.
That's the crazy part too.
All right, she's good. I'm gonna let her loose. It actually went up, not down. So we'll stop, hit a new measurement, and we'll go back to, we're gonna go to evacuation and get ready for this one. And I like to close both of the sides and then open the suction side, because I seem like it just holds more oil all the time on these units. So I'll close these things. I'll take this off. And then you just turn her on. Switch is right here. Oh, yeah, let's open those too. Oh no. That's gone.
I can try to get it.
So we just started the vacuum at 10:15. It's already down to 3,000. Alright, we are adding refrigerant now. We emptied that bottle. Alright, so we are finishing up. We weighed in the refrigerant. I checked the pressures. We're good to go. Trey's in there checking the temp split right now. And then this call's done. Found the leak and fixed it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.